guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. Today we are going to be organizing for spring. I am so excited about this video, about this time of year. Some of you might know that I like to put away my spring summer clothes in the fall winter and vice versa. So it's always like a real change for me when I take my clothes out again, put them in my wardrobe. It feels like I have a new space, just a nice fresh new energy for the new season. The weather has been really nice the last few days as well. It's been super sunny and warm. Also, I do have a really exciting giveaway in this video featuring my current favorite handbag. So I'll tell you guys about that in a little bit. And also the third thing that I wanted to say is I'm also going to be preparing a little bit for a trip that Mo and I are going on next week. This is something that we've talked about and that we've been wanting to do for the longest time, and it is so needed for us, for our health, for our well-being, for our relationship. So I'm very excited, and I think we are first going to start with the unpacking of my clothes. It's the first time I'm going to do that in this new wardrobe as well, so we're going to see how I kind of organize everything and manage the space. So this is my suitcase. I have a lot of my spring summer things in here. I did also keep this rail that we had in our entryway. I think this is going to be pretty helpful for packing for our trip, so I might put the things that I want to bring on here. Wow, I have so many hangers in here. This must have been from when we were packing and moving. I didn't realize I had all those hangers. So these are some of my sandals. These I'm definitely going to bring my little Chanel loafers. I've had these for a really long time now, and they still look pretty good. So I'm gonna take those. Done. This is where I have most of my dresses, and I put them in this bag. Actually, it looks like this. It's a storage bag that you can actually suck all the air out of with a vacuum cleaner, and it keeps your clothes protected and stored away tightly, so you can put it in a suitcase or under your bed or anywhere where you store things. And when I go through this, it's also a point where I can really decide if I want to keep something, if I can donate it. But I was pretty strict on myself when I actually packed this last fall. So I don't think there's going to be too many things here that I want to get rid of. But yeah, I will keep that in mind as I go through all of these items. Okay, so we have made quite a bit of progress. I've put out some of the clothes that I want to bring on our trip, and also just rearranged a few things in my wardrobe, which I'm going to show you guys in a bit. But first, I want to talk to you guys about this handbag, which has this super cool strap, which I love, and the handbag itself is so beautiful. This has been my favorite bag to wear for the last few months. I've already talked about it in a few of my recent videos, and I'm absolutely obsessed. It is so cute. I love the gold details on it as well. So this is the Aluna bag from Senreve, and they've been so kind to offer one of these to you guys in a giveaway, which is so exciting because this bag is such good quality. The design is so cute, and it's so well made as well. The construction and just like the overall finishing is so beautiful, and I also love the space on the inside. First of all, it has this really nice suede lining that all of these Senreve bags have. have, which just adds this really nice luxurious feel to the bag. And the size of the bag is perfect, so you can see it fits my vlogging camera, my wallet, phone. It also has some great little pockets. It's got a zipper on the side and a compartment here that I like to use for my keys, my car keys and my house keys. And then it does also zip at the top as well, which just makes it very nice and secure and safe. And then the front strap, you just slide it through like that, and then it clicks magnetically here to close this front part. So this is now available in their Dolce leather, which is their softest, lightest, most plush and buttery feeling leather. I also have this in their pebbled leather, which is the one that you guys have seen in my previous videos. This is also really beautiful. I'm gonna do a close-up side by side so you guys can see the difference in the leathers, but the pebbled one is definitely more structured and a little bit harder. Still very, very beautiful, but the Dolce just feels like ultra luxurious, very smooth and soft. But I love the fact that it still has this texture on it, so you don't have to worry about this getting scratched or bummed. I feel like it's still a very durable bag, definitely something that is going to last you a very long time. So this is the one that they are going to be giving to one of you guys. It does not come with the strap. This is an extra add-on, but it does come with a strap that you can wear as a backpack. Also really cute to style that way, especially in the summer if you go biking, or if you just like that very carefree option, then that's also great. And because it still has the zipper, you won't have to worry about somebody sticking their hand in your backpack, so I really like that. But of course, you can also get the strap and wear it as a crossbody. So this is the Dolce Charcoal, which is their black color. It also comes in a raspberry color, which is like a berry red, and a butterscotch color, which is a nude neutral. Personally, I love the black. I feel like it's just such a great everyday bag. The size, it fits everything that I need. It's not too heavy, and just the overall durability and the quality is so nice. So if you guys want to enter to win this bag, the giveaway is taking place over on Instagram. You just have to leave a comment under this picture, and also make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and that you're of course following me on Instagram and also following Senreve's account. I will have all of this information down below in the description box along with links. And also if you guys are just interested in getting this bag for yourself, then I will have a special link down below in the description box, and I believe the code is Annie, and that will get you a little savings on the site. So I'll make sure to have all of this information down below for you guys, and good luck to everyone entering. It's seriously such a classic and I've been obsessed with it. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I just picked up this beautiful bouquet. I wanted to bring a little bit of spring inside. They are so pretty. I love the colors. I just made myself some lunch. I'm having the salad bowl with brown rice, some asparagus. This is actually in season right now, so it's really good. And then this is a shredded chicken salad with cranberries. This is actually made with plant-based yogurt and avocado instead of mayonnaise, and some other spices. It's so good. I'll have the recipe down below in the description box. And then I'm having that over some greens. Super filling, nutritious, good source of plant carbohydrates, greens, protein, and fats from the avocado. So back to the spring wardrobe update that I was sharing with you guys yesterday. I used to have all of my longer coats in here, and now I've put some of my longer dresses and pants. These I had put away because they're obviously light and white, and I don't wear these in fall winter, so I hung those up. And then in this one I have some other dresses that I'm not going to bring on our trip, so I have the rail outside with most of my things on. Here before I also used to have some jackets, some shorter ones, so this is really fun to see all these dresses in here. On the bottom of my wardrobe, I don't know if you guys find this interesting, but here I have this kind of wicker basket, and in it I have lots of like memorabilia things, photos, things that I want to keep, but I don't want them to kind of over clutter my space, so I just keep them all in here. And then in that bag I have some sandals that I'm not quite ready to wear yet. And here I also have some shoe boxes. These are my Uggs that I've now packed away. I keep them in their original box over the summertime. I also have some long black Stuart Weitzman boots in there and some other shoes that I'm not wearing that often. And then moving on to this side, not too much has changed here in this part of my wardrobe. I've got my tops here, my jackets, zip-ups, blazers, all of that is there. I also have a pair of extra Keds white sneakers. Love these shoes so much. I'll pop in a picture of what they look like here, but they're just such great summer like white canvas shoes that you can wear with dresses, skirts, pants, basically everything. And here I am currently heating up my steamer. This is seriously the best steamer I have ever used. In terms of like handheld ones, I've had a few in the past that seemed very promising but didn't actually do much. But this one is really, really good. I got this on Amazon. I will try to have it linked. I'm not sure if they have the same in the US, but that is the brand. And if you guys do pack away your clothes like I do, they do obviously get pretty wrinkled, so it's really great to give them a good steam. You can also use this in place of an iron. It works really well on cotton things as well, like shirts or pants. I'm going to show you guys an example. So this dress, for example, is notorious for getting wrinkled. Then I also have this really beautiful dress, but the fabric is quite sensitive, so this is not something that I would iron, so a steamer in this case would work really great as well. So you can see that steamed out all the wrinkles so nicely. And I also did this beach dress, which was very, very crinkled. And now it's nice and ironed. I also did this cotton beach dress. It's like a shirt. But yeah, these are a few of the items that I want to bring with me on our trip. I really love these white beachy dresses, just very flowy and easy. I did also order a few new things for our trip, so I'm really hoping that those arrive before we leave because I still have not gotten them. But other than organizing my closet and getting my spring clothes out, just decluttering and cleaning out my space, especially this time of year, I feel like it's just so therapeutic. We did just move a few months ago, so we don't have that many things. Like, I really made sure when we were packing that we were only taking things that we really needed. So I don't feel like we have too much to declutter, but even just going through my closet, going through my beauty products, even in the kitchen, just seeing what things I can minimize and what I can get rid of or donate, and just cleaning out the space. There's just something so therapeutic about that. Let me know if you guys are the same. But I definitely feel that there's such a beautiful energy in the air during spring. Nature is literally buzzing with energy right now. Everything is blooming again, and I think it's really beautiful to tap into that as well. So another thing that I think is really cool to do during this time of year is to pick up something that you've been wanting to learn, or take a course in something, or start a project, or just do something that you've been wanting to do. For example, myself, I recently shared with you guys that I did a meditation course. I did TM. It's called Transcendental Meditation, and it was so interesting, and it's still something that I'm actively learning about and practicing. But I love that it's also during spring. Again, just feeling that really beautiful energy in the air. The sun is shining. I also hear the birds singing and chirping again, which is always so nice. So yeah, I'm just living my best life in the springtime. It's really one of my favorite times of year, that and summer. On that note, I am going to take a walk now, and then I'm gonna come home, shower, and we'll make dinner together. For dinner, I made one of my go-to meals at the moment, which is oven roasted carrots and broccoli with my favorite salmon recipe. Super quick, really healthy, and easy to make. So I'm first just preparing the carrots by peeling them, then just slicing them down into smaller strips like this. I then just add a light drizzle of olive oil and toss it around to evenly coat the carrots. Then just transfer to a baking pan, and I do the exact same thing with the broccoli. So just cut it up into smaller pieces, drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top, toss, and then transfer to the pan. And this will bake in the oven for about 40 minutes total, and the salmon will go in about halfway through. So next for the salmon, I have 2 pieces here of wild-caught salmon fillet. I just add a drizzle of olive oil, some tamari sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, and some oregano. And don't be shy with these spices, really coat the top well, and it becomes so delicious. So finishing off with some salt and pepper. Then once about 20 minutes have gone by, you just want to put in the salmon and then bake it for another 20 minutes, so about 40 minutes total. And you can really use this simple method for any other vegetables like zucchini, mushrooms, sweet potato, red onions, whatever you like. And that was dinner. That is delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. As always, make sure to check the description box down below for everything that I mentioned, including recipes, details for how to enter the giveaway as well, and anything else that I mentioned. Everything will be down below. I hope that you're all having a really nice day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.